Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you where to find the save game files and config file for Gothic 1 Remake on PC. Whether you want to back up your saves, transfer them to another PC, or edit your game settings, this guide will show you exactly where to find them. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer. Now open this PC, Local Disk C. Open the folder Users. Now open your Windows User folder. Next, open App Data. If you don't see the App Data folder, click on View. Show. Hidden items. Now the App Data folder should appear. Open Local, then open G1R. Next, open Saved, then open Save Games. Inside this folder, you'll find your Gothic 1 Remake save game files. Step 2. Locate the config file. Now go back to the saved folder. Open Config, then open Windows. Inside this folder, locate GameUserSettings.ini. Right-click on the file and select Open with Notepad. Inside this file, you'll find many of the game's configuration settings. You now know where to find both the save files and the config file for Gothic 1 Remake. This can be useful for creating backups, restoring saves, or adjusting settings manually.